Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
I'ma tell you this one time, where I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa,
Hey fellas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Balimurag. I really do hope you love it here and decide to stay. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, love. So today I decided to do a night in my life, like my after school routine. And I'm low-key regretting it because I just went to Japan. I'm so pissed off. I really don't feel like doing anything, and I don't know, every time like I get my monthlies, I just feel like going to sleep, like not doing anything, just canceling everything I have. Like I'm literally one of those people that will cancel plans only because my monthlies just started. Like honestly, I'm one of those people. So yeah, but you know what? Let me try to soldier on even. Also, another thing I forgot to tell you is that I went to the shops. You might have seen in the beginning of the vlog. I was at work, then I went to ShopRite to just do a little grocery top up because I had to top up a few things. So yeah, that is what I did. And right now we'll start with our grocery haul. Then I want to play with my son a bit. I know he'll want to play with me with his scooter. That thing causes depression because it's so loud. But you know, my son loves it, so you know what? Yeah, we'll be doing that, and then we'll start with cooking. Fire. Oh.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. So baby, I want this. I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. So baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh,
You guys, oh no. My husband just did his big one. Like, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna. No, I am actually going to cry. I am going to cry because, guys, oh my gosh, like to think I've been saving for an iPhone, but every time I save, something really just comes up. Like every time I save, something comes up. It's either my laptop gets broken, this needs to be fixed, who needs money for this? You understand? So it's just been pushing me back, and my man said, I got you, baby. I got you. Guys, I'm excited. I'm happy. No, I'm actually happy. Like, I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Like, I'm gonna cry. My husband bought me a phone, y'all. I honestly even feel like stopping everything and just focus on my iPhone. Just focus on my new phone. Like, literally, just focus on my new phone. But you know what? I've started this, so let us see through. Oh my gosh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Thank you to mommy. Oh my gosh. Kumnandi ukuthandwa, guys. Kumnandi ukuthandwa. It's nice to be loved genuinely.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart when is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave
you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Cherish the day.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I can do, what I can do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the